Hi, this is Dr. Dan Purser here, danpursermd.com. This is our new VARS. That stands for Validated Absorbable Reduced Stable Glutathione. VARS mint burst. It's mint all the way through. There's no aftertaste. It's crazy. I joke about it. It should be called a breath freshener. Liposomal Glutathione. We have a patent on this. This stuff is functional. It works. We validated it. We have 30 million backing it for FDA approvals on a number of different wonderful things it does. This glutathione really does everything that historically we thought glutathione should do. It's just no one had ever developed a product other than my friends at USC had ever developed a product that really worked and is available and is a true supplement. This can be taken orally. So how you take this is super simple. You just squirt it in your mouth. And I do 7 squirts a day, but you can do less. You can do 2 or 3. It's according to if you're trying to detox or not. I have MTH at VARS, so I don't make a lot of glutathione. So, like that. And it's easy and it tastes good. Leave it in your mouth, for a few seconds if you can. And then wait 15-20 minutes before you eat or drink anything so it can get well absorbed. This stuff is great. It helps you detox. I can say that legally. It's one of the most amazing detoxifiers on the planet. It's extremely antiviral, extremely antibacterial, boosts your immune system. There's all kinds of cool studies coming out on glutathione and how they can assist antibiotics with drug-resistant bacteria, which are just a horrible problem we have in this world right now. And our glutathione is the only one on the market that works. It's incredible stuff. It's good stuff. Order at physiciandesign.com too. And that's physiciandesigned.com. Contact me if you want to try some. This is Dr. Dan Purser. God bless and go in good health.